Okay, here's my porcupine. I think it's porcupine, but not sure. But it's still amiguruni, so it can be anything. you know, they are not like real character of the animal. They still see. This is the one. This was the first one, but I didn't like because it's white. So I'm gonna keep it for you guys to understand why you need to do tight. If you do tight, then you're not gonna see that feeling, you see. So this is just a sample because I want to do kind of more poofy one, and because of this, not good. So I'm gonna use this chunky yarn. It's like a medium chunky yarn. It's a Walmart Walmart style, but I like the color for this purpose. And we're making the knot. People do like this, like this, like this. Okay, but if you know how to do just knot, you can do in your hands. And we do just like that, two finger, not three, because it's gonna be you leave 6 to 8 inches long tail. Later we need this, okay? So make sure. And we making chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You keep it in the middle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Must be 12. I'll tell you later why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how we go. This go over this stitch and it's a 12. Connect in a circle. How we connect, we just making stitch, knit stitch, and this gonna be later. Okay, making stitch, and this go to that stitch and will be connected. Okay, so we work like 4 or 5 rows. This gonna be first row, if you keep them together, I hope they're gonna be tight. So I'm trying to keep them together. If I sit down and show you how it's on the table, I try to not move from the camera because I do not see myself yet. I have to set up another computer and I keep going this way, you see. But we have 12 chain. We fold it in half, and that's how you do. That's why your chain is gonna be chain. Those stitches gonna be tight, and we keep going. I said 4 5 row, right? 5 row, because first we don't count. First is initial. We turn like this, and you do again. Okay, this is gonna be your beginning and end of the row, so it's good, like a marker. If you need marker, you put marker like this, and you know this is your beginning of the row. If you're not very experienced, so you're learning, you I do marker too, and try to do small stitches, small tight stitches, because you're gonna have this but not this. So you have two to compare. Okay, and you do this. And you turn again. And you count 1, 2, 3, now 4. 1, 2, you see between this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's 4th row, and we're going to do one more round, and I tell you what next. Next is easy. It's very easy pattern. I just today come out with that because I wanted. I can design anything, I just don't have time for everything because some of them complicated. So this is it. One, 2, 3, 4. Now the last round. You can scroll this because I maybe later scroll when I do video for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, there's 5. This was the last one. See, I see this. We cut it and attach pink yarn. You cut this way, you attach pink yarn. I have pink, you can attach white, any color you have, and you burn the edge, and you burn and the center of the center of the yarn connected. If center not connected, maybe will not stay, otherwise it stay. So, and you do first initial chain. See, this was last. Go now pink, first initial, chain, now we need to decrease. Did I tell you we need 12 stitches, right? We have 6 and here 6, 12. So 12 by 4, 3 stitches. You have to decrease 4 stitches. Look, sandwich them together, chain. Yes, 1, 2 together, 1, again 2 together. If you want to remember where you decrease, you can put stitches. I do like this too when I design. Chain 1, again decrease, chain 1, decrease, chain 1. You're supposed to have 4 decreases, and this is chain 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now next row, no decrease, only 1. Tight, and we're going now decrease again. We're making this You see, or this or this. This is the last one. Okay, they're going to decrease every stitch. Look, sandwich together, decrease. This was decreased previously, so we put over sandwich. Oh my cat. Decrease, again decrease, and again decrease. Oh, you have 4. You see, you have 4. It looks like coming, right? Now we have 2 of those and 2 of those to decrease. If I'm fast, you just stop, check again. That's how I do, and decrease last one. This is your nose. You see, that's what your nose, like this. Then you do eye. I show you how to do eye. You cut this, you cut this, and you pull it the other way. So then you do eye, you cut piece, you get here, you get here, to tie, just like that, and you pull inside. When filling come, will stay in. That's your eye. Safety eyes, not plastic. Okay, I don't like plastic. I have whole box of plastic. I never put them. This is easy to make it than plastic come out. My all come out plastic. And if you sell to kids, you're in trouble. So don't do plastic. Only if you do for yourself, but you never know. For me, I don't need them. See, you have 2 eye, and now we're gonna fill in. Oh, where's my filling? Filling, not too much, not too loose, because when it's too much, it's too harsh. Not. And you close. You know how to close. In, out, in, out, in and out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Oh, see? I'm glad we still have enough. how you do legs. Wait. If you want a legs, you same cut yarn, put here somewhere, and do like this, see? With the chain, chain, and chain. It's kinda like, see? One more time. You found this. See, from one, then I do from another one. You see that? Kind of make longer hair, legs. Not too long, but not too short. See, you have 2 legs. And then you do another leg. I need more yarn, so you understand now that you need. No, this way. You do this way. And you have legs. I need to bring yarn so you understand that you're gonna have that leg. And this is my third one, porcupine. This don't have leg, this way is falling, but because this is already damaged, I'm not gonna put legs. So which one you like, this or this? Which one you like, this or this? Because I can show you how to do this. You see that little bit different over here? See? I'll do next one, this.